Hi, Haley and Krista. I know we're meeting tomorrow as a group, but I just wanted to go over the Raz Kids um, resources that will really help for next week. So I'm looking at our scope and sequence, and for week 3, it says we're doing letter sounds for S, M, A, and P. And so we'll start each lesson with the chant that we learned last week and this week. And then we'll start diving into the letters. So for the seesaw activities, one of the activities can just be looking at an alphabet book. So if you go to your Raz Kids account, go to resources, and then go to foundational skills, and then go to alphabet, and then go to books. And there you'll find all of the alphabet books. So for Monday, for example, for the letter S, you can put the S book into the seesaw activity and then have them on the, like what they could do is then draw things that start with S that they learned from the book or something like that. So you would just maybe do like a screencast-o-matic going through each of these pages, reading them out loud. Another option would be for the activity, you put in the pages and they have to read through the pages. Either one I think is a great way just to have them practice the beginning sounds. And then the other great option is to do, and let me just pull it up really quick. I'm going to be making a folder of some of the English literacy resources that we have, and one of them is from the Alphabet Pack. It's called Hidden Letters, and they basically just go through and find the capital S's and lowercase s's. Normally they do this with a crayon, but on Seesaw they can do it with the like pen or marker option that they have on there. So those are maybe two of the activities they could have each day would be the alphabet book and then that coloring sheet for the hidden letters. Let me know if you guys have any other ideas what the activities could be, and then Haley and I will work on the Zoom slideshow. Great, thanks guys.